Video. Come on, Manners. It's okay. No, it's fine.
Oh.
Let's go. Let's go. No, get in there. You're fine. Close the door. Close the door.
Oh, shit.
It's a bonding experience.
She is going to fuck
Pat her.
you up.
Give her a hug.
Doesn't hurt at all. Manners. Your claw's stuck in my glove, dude. I just want to pet you. Come on, let's do it. No, no, no. Let me know.
No!
Hurry
You
up!
gotta stay there.
Crazy.
You gotta put your face next to it.
No!
Your arm's in the way. You didn't move it in the way.
Just stay there. Just stay there. Keep petting her.
Hey, Manners.
Just pet her chin.
Come to the light. Come to the light.
Don't pull. You
The
don't want to hurt her.
Thundercat.
You don't want to hurt her. Pet her with the other hand.
What about this one? What about this one? What about this one? What about this one? Imagine if I didn't have these gloves on.
I think she's possessed.
Open the door! This bitch is crazy! This bitch is crazy!
Run! Run!